Kevin here with Consumer Review, and today we'll be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the TaoTronics LED lamp. This is the way the package arrived from Amazon. Looks like someone might have thrown the package and it might have, hit the ground. But I'm going to go ahead and unbox this thing. Let's see here. Okay. First time opening this. Let's see what we got. What is this? Don't need that. What do we have? Okay, looks like we have the power adapter. Let's put that to the side. And this. Let's see, it's just styrofoam. Let's get rid of that. We've got the box and instructions. Let me go ahead and put this down really quick. Let's take a look at the back of the box. Not much there really. Dimmable touch eye protection LED lamp. All right, LED desk lamp. Let's get rid of that. We don't need that. Let's go ahead and take this out the packaging. Let's see what we've got. Okay, so this goes up. This folds out. Just get this off of here. Okay. So let's see, what do we have here? So this appears to be the light. Okay, so now that we have this out the box, it would be a good time to tell you about the 5-volt 2-amp USB port for charging like your cell phone. It also has 5 color modes and 6 brightness levels, currently being sold on Amazon for 76 bucks at the time of making this video. Okay, so now I'm back. So what I did, I broke out another camera and set it in a higher position. I really wasn't expecting this lamp to be so tall. Let me go ahead and tell you about how tall it is. So here it is with the arm fully extended, and it measures up to 17 inches. And let's go ahead and take a look at the movements here. So the lamp itself, it twists in a few angles here. It can go up a little bit higher. You can't see that here, but it goes up. Just imagine that goes up pretty high. We can also bend it down this way, and it also swivels on its base. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features here. Okay, so we have this here, which is the dimmer. Okay, so this can dim the light or intensify it. We have our power button. We also have this coffee cup icon that is color temperature. So that softens the light. Then we have this one that looks like a book, and that intensifies it. Then we have an icon that looks like a person with a heart, and that's for favorites, so you can set your favorite settings. Then we also have a clock here, an icon that looks like a clock, and that is our timer. And then we also have the night light. So let's go ahead and turn it on. So that's power. Okay, so let's go ahead and dim it. So there we go. Let me turn the light this way so you can see. So it's dim. Now we're going to brighten it up. Okay, and that's as bright as it gets. Okay, so let's turn it back down. Let's go ahead and hit the coffee cup. So that softens the light. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Now I'm hitting the book icon, and that intensifies it. The favorite icon I won't hit because we know that just sets the favorites. And then of course we have the timer. Let me go ahead and hit the night light here, the one that looks like a moon. Okay, so that puts on our night light here, and it turns off our main light. This is a pretty heavy lamp. The base is heavy, it's solid. I don't know if you could hear that. And for more content like this, click on the links at the end of the video right now.